I'm putting in the mixed herbs. They call in Malay halba campur. You can see the thing in now. Now I'm going to put garlic and ginger. It's only a simple dish. Now garlic and ginger in. Let it become brown. Okay, already brown. Now I'm adding in the onion. Okay. Add the onion. Let the onion also be a bit brown. I'm adding the curry leaves. Pepper, turmeric, coriander, cumin and fennel and chili powder. I'm putting all in. Okay, now boil, okay, and then you smash it, add in water, and then you put in. Add in a bit water, and then I put the extra tamarind juice inside. Now let it boil. Now you see the thing is bubbling, and I'll put in I'm adding the brinjal inside, together with green chili and red chili. And then I'm putting in the tomato. Baba's fish curry powder, I'm adding in this. I'm using 2 spoons of this. Okay, now, okay, I already add 2 cups of water inside this belanga. If you think the curry powder is too thick, you can add in water. Okay, I use this packet of vegetarian fish. Okay, this is how it looks like, the fish. I'm cutting the fish like this. The size of the fish I already cut. Okay. After the thing boil, I'm going to add in the lady's finger. Then I'm adding 1 spoon of salt. If not enough, you can add more. Lastly, I'm adding in the vegetarian fish. Let it come to a boil and then you can off the stove. And now the vegetarian fish curry is ready. As you can see, I never add coconut milk in. If you want, you can add coconut milk.